All right, alrighty, right. Well, relatively slow day today until the close. Not really what I wanted to see, but that's okay. It's another push-up. So we're testing the 55. I'm really looking for a bull flag. I think we get one bull flag and that'll end the run. The momentum is good. Tomorrow's Wednesday. It's oil. Um, actually, we'll look in the morning. We'll see if there's any other indicators tomorrow. But that baby looks pretty good. Um, not much more I want to look at. 240s look good. 60-minute look good. We're above the line. We're staying bullish. Like to see a little bit of a breakout, but all is well. Not much to really talk about. Let's just see if we can get a weekly up. Got some really bad data today. Oh, super duper. Okay, hey, that baby looks strong. I mean, we're just into the week here, but we can get a month worth of movement like that, no doubt. Maybe take us back up to the highs. The momentum is turning around nicely. All right, I'm not going to fight it, man. I'm not going to fight it. Just let it keep on keeping on. Nice strong daily, nice strong weekly. We got about 5 minutes left to the market. I'll check you guys out in the morning. Hey, subscribe, hit the bell, do all that good stuff for me, would you? Thanks.